Make a title page for a research paper. The title page is the first thing you should do when writing your research paper, and it's always at the first page of your work. It's required so that professors can identify the author of the paper and more or less have an idea of what it's all about. There are two kinds of formal writing format styles used and accepted in a majority of schools, colleges, and institutions: the APA and the MLA styles. Here's how to make a title page using the APA writing format. Open a word processing software on your computer. You can use programs like Microsoft Word or Notepad. Open a new document or blank page. Set the font type and size. A standard font type used most of the time is Times New Roman. Typical font size is 12. Set the whole page to center alignment. Type the running head of your paper. When using the APA format, start at the top of the page and press the Enter key 3 times. Type your paper's running head using capital letters. A running head is the descriptive part of your full title. For example, if your paper's title is Pathetic Fallacy in Charles Dickens Bleak House, type Pathetic Fallacy as your running head. The MLA format, on the other hand, doesn't specify the need to include a running head. Type the title of your paper. After aligning the running head, press Enter 3 times and type your paper's full working title. This time, use uppercase and lowercase letters. For example, Pathetic Fallacy in Charles Dickens Bleak House. Highlight the whole title and click the Center Align button. The title will be entirely up to you. Better think of something that will give your professor an immediate idea of what your paper's contents. Type your name and other info. After centering the title, press Enter once. Type your full name. Press Enter once and type your school's or institution's name. Press Enter once and type your course name or code. Press Enter once and type the full name of your professor. Make sure everything is center aligned. Here's how to make a title page using the MLA writing format. Do steps 1 and 2 as listed above. Open a blank document in your word processor and apply the required, if specified, or standard font type and font size. Set the whole page to center alignment. Type the title of your research paper. Start at the top of the page and press the Enter key 15 times. Type your paper's full working title. Type your name and other info. After typing the title, press Enter 6 times. Type your full name. Press Enter twice and type your course name or code, followed by your professor's full name, and midterm research paper or finals research paper. Press Enter twice and type the date of submission, month, day, year. Make sure everything is center aligned. Don't ever submit your academic research papers without a title page. Just follow your professor's specifications and use either the APA or MLA writing format. Before submitting your paper, check if the format is in order, including the title page. Caution: choose either APA or MLA format, or stick to the format you're required to use. You should never mix these two or use both in a single research paper. Quick tips: if your professor gave specifications regarding the title page, apply them first. Resort to standard APA or MLA formats only if you weren't given specifications. On the space under your full name, you can type your student identification number if you have one. Display the working title or running head of your paper by using the header and footer feature in your word processor.